In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix common ClickUp mobile app issues. If your ClickUp app isn't syncing, keeps freezing, or just feels sluggish, this walkthrough will help you get it running smoothly again. Start by opening the ClickUp app on your phone and signing into your account. Make sure you're in the right workspace and that the app fully loads. Sometimes a simple launch clears minor hiccups. Next, check your internet connection. A stable Wi-Fi or mobile data signal is essential for syncing tasks and loading views. If pages are taking a long time to load or updates aren't appearing, that's often a sign of a weak connection. Moving closer to your router or switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data can help stabilize things. If the app still feels off, close it completely and reopen it. Force closing it from your recent apps clears temporary glitches that build up during normal use. After reopening, give it a moment to refresh your workspace. If you notice lag, freezing, or views that won't load, clear the app cache. Open the ClickUp app, go to Settings and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can bog down performance without deleting your tasks or spaces. It's a safe way to give the app a clean slate. By the way, I've placed the official download links for ClickUp on the App Store and Google Play, along with the support page right at the top of the description. If you need to install or reinstall later, or contact support, those links are easy to find. Keeping the app updated is another simple fix. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. New versions include bug fixes and performance improvements that often address known issues. If syncing or permissions seem off, log out and then log back in. From Settings, choose Log Out, then sign in again. This refreshes your session and can resolve issues with access and data syncing. If problems continue, reinstall the app. Uninstall ClickUp, reinstall it from the store, then log in again. Your data lives in the cloud, so you won't lose tasks, but you will need your login details to get back in. And if none of these steps do the trick, contact ClickUp support directly through the app or via their website. Include what device you're using, your OS version, and a brief description of what's happening to speed up troubleshooting. The support link is also at the top of the description for your convenience. That's it. Follow these steps to fix most ClickUp mobile issues and keep your workflow smooth. Thanks for watching.